All right, we are welcome back again here. We are on Winner's Hood. Anytime when I come here, I always been telling you that we are here to make money. We are here to do what? To make money. And they say, oh, how when you lie? What I say? Oh, how when you lie? The here say, why you are say, what baso be me kiska? What I say? So you just have to make your mind that you are here to make money. So not only in football gambling that you can make money from. We can make money from different stuffs. You understand? Because I think and I know that you have been making a lot of money from this betting journey since we started. You understand? But right now, I am going to introduce more programs in it so that you can start making a lot of money from different side, not only football betting. You understand? So even if you were not a better, but because of me you became a better, or even if you are a better but because of me you start winning, it's good to have another business aside whatever you are doing. You understand? So I'm here with Binance. Most of you guys know Binance. Most of you too don't know Binance. But Binance is an app which we use for trading. I mean BTC trading, USDT trading, any currency. So we use Binance to make money. Nowadays the dollar is really decreasing. I mean the cedis is really chasing the dollar very much. You understand? So everybody is finding a way of meaning to save their dollar for price. Or those people who want to chop their dollar this time to have lost a lot of profits. You understand? But we have some strategies in Binance that even if you don't have much, you can start getting a lot of money from there. So I am giving you these tips purposely that you have to save money, or you have to know it so that you can invest more and later you cash out. You understand? So first of all, here this Binance you can deposit any amount that you want, and you can deposit with different currency. You understand? With different currency. And also we have something like P2P. This P2P that we have in Binance here, it is selling and buying and selling of any currency that you want. So especially you have USDT or you have BTC and you want to sell that BTC, you come to P2P. That is the P2P is purposely that you can get your cash in your currency. You understand? In your currency, either in cedis that you want it, either in dollars that you want it, either in any Nigerian money that you want it. P2P, you can get it in your currency, and with any cheaper payment method that you want to use. You understand? So let's say you want to sell your USDT. You come to P2P, you click on sell. We have sell and buy. So you click on sell. So with the sell that you can see here, you can see that every buyer here is with payment option. So any payment option that is easy for you. This is mobile banking. So they are using mobile money and all other stuff. So you can also search with the payment method. So if you come here, any payment method that you want to receive the payment from, either mobile money, either Eco Bank, either AT money, either Fidelity Bank, GT Bank, any type of bank, either airtime, mobile top up, bank transfer. So you just select your payment method that you want to receive the money. You understand? So let's say I want to receive it from mobile money. You understand? So they will give me those people who are using mobile money banking. You understand? So that it will be very easy for me to find. So if you come here, you type in the amount that you want to sell to your currency. Maybe you have like 100 USDT. So you want to like sell more than 1,000 Ghana cedi, because we know that 100 USDT will be more than 1,000 Ghana cedi. So if you type in 1,000 Ghana cedi right here, they will generate the buyers which they are buying from 1,000 Ghana cedi and below. You understand? Which they are buying 1,000 Ghana cedi from 1,000 Ghana cedi and below. So you just select any buyer which you can trust with them. So, and with Binance, you cannot run with anyone BTC or USDT or any money, because without your payment, Binance will not release the USDT for you, and without you like confirming your payment that you have received the payment, Binance will not release the USDT to the seller. So Binance is safe right now for you. So any amount that you are just selling, or you are just selling in let's say CDC, you can say buy BTC. So if you can type it in your BTC, let's say you have 0.0000950, that one will be 1,132 Ghana cedis. So that's BTC that I type, it will be like 100 USDT. You understand? It will be like 100 USDT. So you type the USDT, the BTC that you are selling, or you can type it in your currency, that is 100,000. You are selling 1,000. So this is the USDT that they are going to sell for you from your account. You understand? So it's very easy. If whenever you buy it cheap right here, especially you want to trade with USDT, you understand, you buy it cheap price right here, then you sell it high price. You buy it cheap price, then you sell it high price. You understand? And if right now, if you put, or if you invest, if you save in Binance, if you have money and you convert it to USDT right now in Binance, it's safe. Whenever the dollar rise up from 10% to, when the dollar rise up from let's say that's 50% to like 70, 80, 90, 100%, you are going to make a lot of money. So let's say, let me use my currency for example. Let's say right now $1 is 10 point something in Ghana cedis. You understand? So if I have $1, I have only 10 cedi. You understand? But first it was when it was 17 cedi. If I have $1, I have 17 cedis. So if I have $100, I have 1,700 plus to getting to 2,000. But right now, if I have $1, I have only 1,000 cedis and some coins. You understand? So if you convert your money from your currency, like my currency cedis, to USDT, maybe say you are depositing in from to Binance. You understand? You are depositing in to Binance. Whenever the dollar rise, let's just have it in your mind that you are just saving the money. That is your saving. That is your savings. So you can save in Binance and make profit later. So when the dollar rise from that percentage that it has decreased in your currency, so when it rise from 10 cedi to even 15 cedi, when I have $100, I am going to make 1,500. You understand? So let's say right now it is 1,001. $100 is 1,001. So if I put 1,001 in Binance right now, in my USDT account right now, in my USDT wallet in Binance right now, whenever the dollar rise from 10 cedi to 15 cedi, I am going to cash 1,500 out, whilst I deposit 1,001. You understand? When it rise from that 10 cedi to 17 cedi back again, if you deposit $100, which is right now 1,001, you are going to cash out 2,000. So let's say every month or every 2 months, the dollar rise from that 10 CD to 15 CD, or even every 3 months or 4 months, you're going to make that profit. So imagine you deposit like 100,000. You deposit 100,000 from your currency, maybe 100,000 Ghana CD to USDT. 100,000 Ghana CD to USDT. You are going to cash out 150,000 when the dollar rise from 10 CD to 15 CD. So it's like you are saving to get profit. You are saving to get profit. That is one way to make money with Binance and from USDT or BTC. You understand? And not all. You can see that if you open Binance, you have a lot of things in here to do. You understand? If you click on this logo right here, they have all these options. You can see they have N, they have auto invest, they have referral, they have Binance NFT. You can make money from all these things that you see here. If you click on N right here, they have some things to do right here to earn some money or some USDT freely. You understand? If you click on auto invest, that one, it is robot invest. That one, you are going to invest your money. So let's say you just, like what I'm saying, I just said right now, you just put money in it. So whenever it rises to some level, the money will just buy it automatically. It will just sell it automatically. When it decreases to some level, the money will just buy it automatically. So frequently you are making profit from there. This is it. Invest. So let's say you have some USDT and like 1,000 USDT right here. So you are going to put in 1,000 USDT, and you want the time that you select the time that you want it to purchase, and you select the time that you want it to sell. You understand? So whenever the dollar rise up, it's going to sell for you for you to get profit. When the dollar come down, it's going to buy for you to save. That is how it goes. And if you can see, we have some NFT, that is Binance NFT right here. This one too is some program that if you do with Binance, you are going to make some dollar from there. You understand? They have some games, some things to perform, some daily activities to perform right here, so that you are going to earn some USDT from there. So this is very simple with Binance. You can make a lot of money from Binance, and trust me, it's going to help you a lot. So right now we are not going to do only football gambling, although we are going to introduce more football strategy, like more football analysis, more football statistics to the programs, because we have some more football programs, more football analysis to give it to you. Even yesterday, Chelsea did some wonders. And for that wonders, I'm not going to talk about it right now. I have someone here that I want to interview, that he is going to break it down for us to understand how, and how it happened, and even that person is very wonderful. That person is having a very wonderful information from every football match that you are watching, or you can watch. Even advanced that is coming up, they have every lineup and analysis, how this guy is going to analyze the games for you. He know every form for every player, every form for every team, either current or previously, and that is very necessary to know if you want to win football betting or make money from football betting. So if you know more information about football, I mean the players and the teams and the stats and the games, you are going to win bets every day, because your every selection that you're going to do is going to be true for you. You understand? So let's wait. So this is one strategy or one information that I have for you, that you can get a lot of money from Binance, not only in gambling but Binance too. And you can see that we have some tax here that people are just breaking it down, how you're going to do this thing to make $10,000 to $8,000 in just 30 days. You understand? So think it's impossible. You think it's impossible, think again. With discipline, strategy, and daily focus, you can turn $10 into 8,000 in just 30 days. So that is what I'm just giving you. That is what information I'm just giving you. It's very simple. It's very simple. So you are going to just learn how to trade with me, how to make money either from Binance, either from any BTC platform or USDT platform, from any trading platform. We have some tasks to perform to make money, so that even we can get money to bet. You understand? We can get money to bet, to make some money from different side of this gambling. You understand? So this is good. So I felt to just give it out to you. I have more information for you. Don't go anywhere. I love you guys. Bye bye. And don't forget that you are still with Winners Hood. Just follow me to the Telegram channel and get more information. Let's cash out.